Hi everyone. For today's video, it's a little different. I wanted to give y'all a Walmart grocery haul and a fridge and pantry restock. So let's get into it. Okay, so I bought some stew meat. I'm thinking I'm going to make this with some vegetables, just mix it in there. And then I got some pork chops. And then I got some chicken breasts, which I'll probably make some chicken flautas or some chicken Alfredo. My girls really like chicken, so I usually make a lot of different things with chicken. And then I got some ground beef, which I'll probably mix with like potatoes or something. And then we have some crispy chicken tenders, some chicken nuggets, and then some breakfast stuff here. There's the croissants, the sausage, egg, and cheese, which Aubrey really likes and I enjoy too sometimes in the mornings. And then there's some Eggo waffles. And then these chocolate cookies, these are our favorites. Our girls really like it. We also got some yogurt, the Danimals, another dish sponge, some potatoes that I'll be making with that sausage. I usually cut it up in pieces and mix in the potatoes. It's really good. There was some squash, then there's the Dove exfoliating scrub my daughter got, and then some Tide, and then these Minnie Mouse like sweatpant outfits. They were so cute. I got them for both of my toddlers. And that bin underneath I'm going to be using in the laundry room for some organization I'm going to be doing. But then I also got some hot dog buns, some bread, some orange juice, which we prefer the no pulp, and then a couple gallons of milk, a couple cases of the eggs, some chorizo, sausage, bacon, you know, all the breakfast stuff. Also grabbed a case of waters. We have some blueberries, some cupcakes, and then some string cheese, some Colby Jack cheese, which we'll probably make some quesadillas or something with that, just something simple. And then I got some cheese dogs, some of the classic Franks, for hot dogs, and then these red hot links, which we also like these with the hot dog buns. Like, they taste really good like that. Also grabbed some of the Black Forest ham, my favorite creamer, the caramel macchiato, some syrup, and then we got some of the mandarins, which we really go through these like crazy. We really like them. And then we have some bananas, some fruit snacks. We got some protein bars that Aubrey grabbed, those protein meal bars. And then we have some yogurt, some ice cream. Again, we've never tried this. Aubrey grabbed that. And then this thing, I don't know what that is. Aubrey grabbed that as well. She was just trying out new things, I guess. Yeah, I don't know what that is. We also got some Ritz crackers, some yogurt for the girls, which we already broke into that when we were at the store. They couldn't wait. And then we got some chips, and then some more snacks back there, like the Oreos, like all the little packages. And then my favorite coffee ever, the Starbucks breakfast blend with the brown sugar and sweet orange. That with the caramel macchiato is so good, you guys. I don't know if y'all have tried it like that, but it's really good. And then we got some toilet paper, and then some of the ramen noodles, the hot and spicy. Also grabbed some refried beans and some ketchup. So that was everything that I grabbed from Walmart. It was quite a bit more than I usually grab, because I usually go to the grocery store every 2 weeks, but I was running out before, the 2 weeks was up. I would run out like within a week. So I'm hoping this lasts me a little bit longer, so we'll see. But we're gonna go ahead and get all this stuff put away now. So I'm just wiping down this spot right here. I'm not going to clean the whole fridge or anything like that. I just wanted to wipe this area down because this part was pretty bad. So I'm just wiping it down before I put the food in there. But I did want to mention my crazy hair. So As you know, or you probably don't know, we live in a small town, so going to Walmart for me, it's about a 40-minute drive, and then on top of that, going with two toddlers. If you have any kids around that age, I have a 2-year-old and a 1-year-old, and I have a teen, she's 14, which she helps me out a lot. Either way, it was pretty crazy at the grocery store, so on top of that, it was raining outside and freezing. So when we came out, my hair got all wet. So just a big nappy mess. But anyway, so by the time I got home, I did not care about my hair or what I look like. I just wanted to get this video filmed for you guys. So please excuse my nappy hair. But of course, I also want to point out that my hair is not perfect in any of my other videos either, so I just felt like today it was a lot more crazier and sticking out everywhere, like more than usual, so I wanted to mention that. So that is it for today's video. Like I said, it was a little different than my usual content. I will still have a cleaning video for y'all up on Thursday. This one is probably going up on Sunday. It'll probably be Sunday when you're seeing this. But I just thought, I went and got some groceries, so I thought I'd do a grocery haul and show y'all a little bit of what I get. So anyway, I hope you enjoyed it. Please give it a thumbs up if you did, and please consider subscribing to my channel if you haven't already. It is completely free to do, and I will see y'all on my next one. Thanks.